The primer pump cover is part of your engine's carburetor. The cover fits over the primer bulb and clamps it to the carburetor body. If the primer pump cover is damaged, it might not properly seal the primer bulb to its base, causing fuel to leak. Replacing the primer pump cover is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the air cleaner lid. With the air cleaner lid removed, now I can remove the air filter. Next, I'll remove the air filter base. There's a plastic cover snapped on top of the carburetor. I'll go ahead and remove it. Next, I'll crack open the tank cap to relieve any pressure in the tank. And now I can remove the fuel lines from the carburetor. I'll take note of the location of each of the lines. I'll release the cable linkage from the wire linkage. If the exterior of the carburetor is dirty, you'll need to clean it before moving on. I'll place a finger over the inlet and outlet on the carburetor and spray down the carburetor body with some brake cleaner or carburetor cleaner. It's a good idea to wear rubber gloves when you do this. Now I'll remove the old primer pump cover from the carburetor body. And I'll install the new cover and secure it with the screws. Now I can reinstall the carburetor. I'll loop the cable through the wire linkage. With the cable in place, now I can reconnect the fuel lines. First the incoming line, and then the return line. I'll reinstall the base to the carburetor and secure this assembly to the engine. And I'll reinstall the carburetor cap. Now I'll reinstall the air filter. I'll place it on the base with the flange pointing out, and I'll make sure that it makes a good seal around the base. I'll align the air cleaner lid with the air filter and secure it in place with the knob. And that's all it takes to replace the primer pump cover on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.